word lovers, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to boost your vocabulary and sound like a total genius in conversations, you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore 5 uncommon words that'll make you sound smarter without having to memorize the entire dictionary. 1. Perspicacious. Let's kick things off with a word that sounds as fancy as it is useful. Perspicacious, pronounced perspicacious. This word means having a keen insight or being able to perceive and understand things quickly. In other words, someone who is perspicacious is sharp-eyed and sharp-minded. Next time you notice something others might miss, tell them you're feeling a bit perspicacious today. It's a fun way to show off your smarts. 2. Ephemeral. Second word is a beautiful one. Ephemeral, pronounced ephemeral. This adjective refers to something that lasts for a very short time. Think of sunsets, moments of joy, or even trends that come and go. They're all ephemeral. Instead of just saying something is temporary, try describing it as ephemeral. It adds a touch of elegance to your speech, and it sounds way more sophisticated. 3. Ineffable. Now here's a word that's just as cool as it is mysterious. Ineffable, pronounced ineffable. This word means something so incredible or beautiful that it cannot be described in words. It's when words fail to capture the true essence of something. Next time you experience something that leaves you speechless, you can say, "It was completely ineffable." Trust me, it will leave people impressed. Susurrus. Here's a word that sounds almost as soothing as its meaning. Susurrus, pronounced Susurrus. This refers to a soft murmuring or rustling sound, like the sound of leaves in the wind or the gentle whispers of a conversation. Instead of saying a gentle sound, use Susurrus to give your description a poetic feel. It's the perfect word for capturing those calming, natural sounds. 5. Pulchritudinous. Finally, we have one of the most fun to say words ever, Pulchritudinous, pronounced Pulchritudinous. And no, it's not a tongue twister. It means beautiful or physically attractive. So if you want to describe someone or something as stunning, but you want to sound a little more advanced, use Pulchritudinous. Instead of calling a painting pretty, say it's Pulchritudinous. It's an old-school, sophisticated way to show you have a rich vocabulary. So there you have it, 5 words that'll make you sound like a total genius. Whether you're trying to impress at a dinner party, spice up a presentation, or just sound a little more eloquent, these words are sure to do the trick. Which one of these words are you going to use first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a chance to level up your vocabulary.